Every day, thousands of trading strategies get built, and most of them look amazing, right up until you actually test them seriously. Here's the thing nobody tells you. It's really easy to convince yourself you found an edge. You tweak one parameter, you ignore a bad result because it was probably just noise, you run the backtest one more time. Do that enough times, and pretty much anything can look profitable. I didn't want to build another strategy that looked good on paper. I wanted to build something that could actually prove me wrong, so I don't fool myself. This is exactly what that project turned into. If you've watched algorithmic trading videos online, you've probably noticed the same pattern as me. Someone builds a strategy, they test it, they get a profitable result, and they immediately decide they found an edge. But that's not really how reality works, or research for that matter. If you test enough ideas, eventually, one of them is bound to look like it works, just by luck. Think of it like flipping coins. If one person flips a coin and gets 10 heads in a row, that's actually impressive. But if 1,000 people each flip a coin 10 times, a few of them are going to get all heads too. Not because they're special, just because enough people tried. Testing trading strategies works the exact same way. Test enough of them, and a few will look like winners, but only by chance. This is what's called multiple testing, and it's behind a huge number of false discoveries, not exclusive to trading, but also across science in general. Many people ask, can I build a bot that makes money? I tried something different. Can I build a process that stops me from lying to myself? Because that is where we see the real risk. It's not that a strategy could fail. It's that you can convince yourself it worked when it didn't. So I made some rules for myself. I wrote down what I expect to happen before I ran anything. I didn't touch after seeing the results. Everything I did had to be reproducible, meaning if I can't return it and get the same thing, it does not count. I didn't use information I wouldn't have actually had at the time, and nothing gets believed until it's actually been tested properly or statistically. I wasn't trying to prove a strategy works. I was trying to build something where a strategy actually has to earn that. Alright, now a little about me. I'm in high school, and I got obsessed with this idea that it's really easy to trick yourself into thinking you found something useful in data, even when you didn't. And that's basically what this whole project is about. I wanted to understand how professionals avoid that trap. And somewhere along the way, it turned into this whole organized framework where I had 1,000 lines of code, docs, tests, all of it, you name it. And that wasn't because I wanted things to be complicating, obviously not. I just wanted things to be reliable. Okay, so if there's one thing I want you to take from this, it's not that I built some trading framework. It's that good research isn't really about finding the right answer. It's about making it hard to fool yourself. Now, real talk, I used AI a ton throughout this project, like a lot, but I didn't use it to think for me. I used it more like a tool. It helped me write the repetitive code, explore ideas, explain stuff I didn't get yet, speed up coding. But every decision, every experiment, every assumption, every result, I still had to question it, test it, and it just needed my justification. That's the part AI can't fully do for you. And honestly, whether you're building trading systems, doing science, or writing code, whatever, the most valuable skill isn't asking AI for an answer. It's knowing that if the answer actually deserves your trust. This project is just one step in learning that. Thank you for watching.